Good morning, children. As you expressed that you are finding some difficulties in the understanding some of the portion of the sets, I just concentrate on the set builder forms. Okay. Now, suppose a set is given like this: A is equal to 1, 4, 9, etc. 100. This is the roster form. We want to convert this into a set builder form. In the set builder form, what is to be done is, that is, we have to represent the set by a variable. Yes, variable x, such that what is the common characteristics property following here, that you have to observe properly. Here 1, 4, 9, etc. These are all the square number, perfect square number. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, etc. Up to 10 square it is coming. So, it is x, where x is a square number. X is equal to n square. And what is the value of n? It is from 1 to n is from 1 to 10. Including 1 and including 10. So now it is become the set builder form. So we have expressed the set in the form of a variable, and the variable's common property is mentioned here. X is equal to n square. Of course, it is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, etc. It goes up to 10 square. So where n is a natural number from 1 to 10. This is the way we write the things in the set builder form. Now, one more example. Say b is equal to 3, 5, 7, etc. It goes like that. You can see that they are odd numbers, but all odd numbers are not. It starts from 3, 5, 7, etc. So I can write this as the set of all x such that x is equal to 2n plus 1. If I write x is equal to 2n plus 1, then 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5, etc. it goes. So you can say that where n is greater than or equal to 1. N is a natural number, or I can simply saying that n is a natural number is also sufficient. This is what we can convert these things into the set builder form. Now let us take one more example. Say C. Set of all x, suppose it is something like that: 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, etc. Make a close observation of the things. What is the common property it is following? We mark it as by x. And what is the form of x? I can say x is equal to 1 by n. When n is equal to 1, you get the first number. When n is equal to 2, you get the second number. When n is equal to 3, you get the third number. That means n is a natural number. N belongs to, I can say n belongs to n. Means n is a natural number. You can write n is a natural number also, you can write, or you can say that n is a natural number greater than or equal to 1 also you can write. So this is the way we convert a set into a roster form into set builder form. That is the one topic you are finding difficulty. And now the second portion is the open interval. It is you can say the universal set. Most of you have expressed the difficulty in the universal set to understand. Now you say A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Right? When you think about these two sets, you can see that all elements of A are there in B. That means A is a subset of B. A is a sub. When we say A is a subset of B, all elements of the set are also an element of B. We call it as a subset. We call this a subset. We call it as a superset. Or you can use another word, universal set. So I can say that B is a universal set for A. Only that much is there. Suppose if you take here set of natural number and the whole number set 0, 1, 2, 3. I can say that whole number set is a universal set for natural number. Set of integers. I can say that set is a universal set for natural number. Set is a universal set for whole number because all whole numbers are here. All natural numbers are here. So this can be considered as a universal set. Only we got only that much meaning. Universal set. So that portion is over. Now the next one is about the open interval. There are 4 types of intervals. We call it as open interval. We call it as a closed interval. We call it as a left close, right open, and we call it as a right close and left open. Now, what is the connection of this interval here in the set? That is what is the one question here. Now, when I speak an open interval AB, it means that it is A and B are not an element of this group. This is why it is called open. When A and B are there, a number very nearer to A belongs to here, but A is not a member here. And mathematically we write that it is set of all x such that it lies between A and B. We write like this: set of all x such that x lies between A and B. Where A, depending upon the situation, that where A is a real number or this is a real number. So set of all x such that where x lies between A and B, where x is a real number. Now this AB, what is the difference? Set of all x that x, the equality is also there. It means A and B are also member of that group. A and B are also member of that set. X greater than or equal to A, less than or equal to B. X is a real number. Now what is here? Set x such that A here left close. So close means that A is also a member of that one. And as before. And what about here? Set of x such that A less than x less than or equal to B. This is what open interval, closed interval. Only what you have to understand, it is a group of a set of elements where A and B does not belong to that group because it is between, and it is A and B belongs to that. Equal to is also there. Here less is equal and here not equal. Here less than, here also equal. So that means it will be taken that way. Open, close, left close, right open, left open, right close. So this is what an interval is. Then Venn diagram. Next portion, what you have told is Venn diagram. It is representing a set by using the diagram, that is called the Venn diagram. And let us see like this. Say A is a set given to you. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is the 3, 4, 5, 6 set. Already we have defined the union of two sets, A union B. What is A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A union B is all the elements of A and B together. But here also 3, 4 is there, here also 3, 4 is there. We need not write an element two times in the set. Repetition is not done to be done. Only one time we should write. All the collections of A and B put together is there. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write these expressions in a diagram form. So first we will be drawing a square. And this you will see that U, of course, there is nothing U is given to you, but put it in a square box. I can make a universal set for both of this one. Say if I take U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. I have put a set here. Even just one element more than this is sufficient to call it as a universal set. I have put some 7, 8, 9, 10. You can put so many elements. And that's why this is does not even need to worry about this one. We have to put it in a square bracket. A square bracket, a square, a rectangle. That is marks a universal set. That means these two sets are going to be inside. This is set A. Say I write here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And B. In B also 3 and 4 are there. I can put 5 and 6 here like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 comes here. 3, 4, 5, 6 comes in B. So if I shade this full, this portion represents A union B. This is A union B. This way of representing a set by using a diagram, we call it as A union B. Now the same thing I just write here. This is A union. This is A and this is B. This is a common point for both. So this is actually A intersection, because our definition for intersection is what? Set of all x such that x is in A and x is in B. This is the definition for intersection. That means it should be a common element for both. So that we have represented here, A and B. So this way of representing a set by using the a diagram, we call it as a Venn diagram. Now one more some examples if you take. Suppose A, B and C, they are the three sets. So always there will be a universal set for that one, a superset for all this which contains. I put that one. So there is one A, B, I just write like this, A, B, C. Now, this portion, this is A, right? This is A. I could have taken some color chalk to show it. Okay. And now, this portion. This portion is, this is B. And here, this is coming as C. Okay. Now, let us see each one separately now. Okay, I just draw it again. Okay. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Now, what is this quotient? It is common quotient for A and B. I can say it is A intersection B. And what about this quotient? This is a common quotient for C and E. So we can call it as A intersection C. And what is this quotient? This quotient is a common quotient for B and C. We call it as B intersection C. And what about this quotient? This quotient alone. This is a common quotient for A, B and C. So like that, with the diagram you will be able to express or show the data or sets in a very neat way, and that is called the Venn diagram. So we will suppose if I ask to draw a Venn diagram. A, B, C are the three sets. Okay. A, B, C are the three sets. Represent A intersection C by using Venn diagram. You have three sets. Represent A intersection C by Venn diagram. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So represent A intersection C. That is the common for A and C. What is the common for A and C? This is. So you have to shade. That is your answer. Very simple. And if I want to say that what is the represent by Venn diagram A intersection B? How do you draw it? There are three sets, so there will be a universal set for it, and three sets are there. Okay, A, B, C. What do you want to represent? A intersection B. That is a common quotient for A and B. This is the common quotient for E and B. So which gives the result. Very simple. So that is about the Venn diagram. And then next, lastly, one of you express that the word problems. Okay. I just take one question of the textbook and show how it can be represented. Explain. Okay. Exercise 1.6. One question I will explain. That is sixth question. In a group of 70 people, there are 70 people, 37 like coffee. 37 likes coffee. And 52 like tea. 52 like tea. And each person likes at least one of the two drinks, either coffee or drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? How many like coffee and tea? Okay. So here we have a formula, that is what I explained already. That formula is here. I can mark C for coffee and T for tea. So what is the number of coffee people? Number of coffee people is 37. That means number of people drink tea, coffee. Number of tea, it is 50. And we have a formula that number of A union B is equal to number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This formula we have. Now we are just substitute. Now instead of taking A and B, let me use the number of C union D. Then it becomes number of C, number of T minus number of C intersection T. C intersection T in the sense coffee and tea type. Number of C union T, because it is given that there are 70 people. So the coffee and tea together, it is 70. So it comes number of 70. Number of C, it is 37. And number of D is 52. Minus number of C intersection B. That only we have to find out. So bring this one here and simplify. Very simple. One more question, so I will explain it. I will take one question from the miscellaneous. Okay. The question is like that. In a survey of 60 people, so total members in the survey is 60. In a survey of 60 people, it was found that 25 people read newspaper H. So newspaper H. So let me mark this number of H. That means number of people read H paper. H paper you can call it Hindu. So number of people read H paper is 25, and number of people read T. That is number of T times it is given as 26, and number of people read I can call this number of I. Indian Express, that is given as 26. So we can call it as H people, H newspaper as Hindu, T as the Times, and I as Indian Express. So this number of people read Hindu is 25, number of people reads Times 26, number of people reads Indian Express 26. This is the data given, and again the 9 read both H and I. H and I. Therefore, H intersection I. They read both. And 11 read both H and D. H and D. 11. And then 8 read both T and I. So number of T and I is 8. And 3 read all the 3 newspapers. That is N, H intersection and T intersection I. They read all the 3. So once you read the questions and write in the symbolic form, it is very simple to answer it. So here the question is, there are 3 sets of people. So people read 3 sets of newspaper, Hindu, Times and Indian Express. We have given all these data, and it is better, it will be easy for you to, if you represent in a Venn diagram, that will give a clear picture for you to work out the questions. I just mark it like this. Okay, this is Hindu, this is Times, and this is Indian Express. I just mark this is A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D. In the sense, A is marked as saying that A is a common portion of this one. What is A? Hindu and Times. Hindu and Times. This is A. And B is this portion I am marking here. B is Times and Indian Express. Times and Indian Express. This is B. And this C I have marked it as, in the sense, it is Hindu and I. Hindu and I. H and I. It is C. And this D is a common portion which I marked here. Common portion, that is all the 3. This is D. So when you have that expression and here, it will be easy for you to work out the question. Now what is actually the question? We have first portion of the question is number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. Number of people who read at least one newspaper. So if the survey is out of 60. 60 people are surveyed, and we are asked, the first part of the question is number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. Don't take 60. You have made a survey. There may be some people who do not read any of the newspaper. So your answer is not 60. Your answer you have to find out number of people who read at least one newspaper. And here, what is the formula which we use is number of H union T union I. This is the formula which is number of H, number of T, number of I minus number of H intersection T minus number of T intersection I minus number of I intersection H plus number of H intersection T intersection I. This is the formula for finding out. So all these data are available with you. Number of H, how many are there? 25. And number of T, how many is there? 26. Number of I is 26. Minus number of H intersection T. H intersection T is 11. Minus number of T intersection I, that is 8. Minus number of I intersection H. What is I intersection? 9. Plus number of H intersection T intersection I, which is 3. So adding this, you get the answer. Adding and simplifying. I am not going further. And one more portion of that question is the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. This is okay. You can complete that one. This is a simplification. Number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Here what is happening is, so you have 25 people reads Hindu. So this 25 number contains some of the people read Times also. Some of the people read this one, what is Indian Express also. So we want the people who read exactly one of the newspaper. So this portion, if I shade like this shaded portion gives those who read exactly only Hindu. And if I take this one, this gives the people who read only Times. And if I shade this one, this gives the people who reads only Indian Express. So by looking at the figure, first let me take the number of people read only Hindu. Okay. Now see here, there are 25 people reading Hindu. From that you have to delete. What is to be deleted? This portion is to be deleted. This portion is, what is that portion? Those who read Hindu and Time. Hindu and Time, you can see it is 11. It is marked here as A. So minus 11. And then this is also to be removed. What is that portion? That is Hindu and Indian Express. Hindu and Indian Express is how much it comes? Hindu and Indian Express it is coming as 9. So this C also is to be removed from the minus 9. Now remember that you are removing now this portion 2 times, because when you remove A, this is also already removed, and when you remove this C, this portion is again removed. So 2 times that portion is removed. So that is goes the wrong answer. So 2 times it is removed. What is removed 2 times? This D is removed 2 times. So 1 times you have to add that. So you will get 25 plus 3, 28, 28 minus 20, 8 will get. That is who reads Hindu only. Now reads Times only. Now, what is the Times here? 26 hours. 26 minus, and from that times you have to remove a. What is a here? 11. And from that you have to remove this b. B is 8. Again the same problem. When you remove this a, this is removed 2 times. So that is to be added. That is 3 added. So now 26 plus 3, 29. 29 minus how much? 19. 29 minus 19. So it is 10. Then reads only I. That is in the next plus. How many is there? 26 are there. And then from that 26, this is the 26. We are removing C. C means this portion. C is how much? C is 9. Minus then B. B is removed. That is 8. And again the problem saying this is removed 2 times. That is that 3 is to be added. So now here 26 plus 3. 29. 29 minus 9. 20. 20 minus 8. 12. So the number of people who reads Hindu only is 8. Number of people who reads Times only is 10. Number of people who reads Indian Express only is 12. So exactly one newspaper reading, how many are there? 8 plus 10. 18 plus 12. So this is the way you have to give the approach for the questions. I think you just go through it once again and